Welcome back. And with this video, our 10th build called a BolognaBot is now done. This computer is powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 1200 quad core. That is based on the MSI B350 Tomahawk ATX board. The graphics are powered by an EVGA, a GTX 1050 Ti. There's a 2x4 gig kit of G-Skill, a DDR4, a 2666 Ripjaws 5. There's a Caviar Blue 1 TB drive, and there's some additional fans to provide a little bit of extra airflow and some LEDs. All housed in the Cooler Master Box Lite 5 with the dark mirror panel on the front. This case also makes good use of an acrylic side panel, which looks somewhat like a tempered glass, but it weighs a lot less. So when you put the acrylic panel over it, it looks like that. It's kind of darkened. Without the panel, it's like that. If you scroll back in the video, there's a section with the lights off, with the lights in the room off, and the fans in the front can be seen, and it looks pretty cool. This computer should do pretty well for gaming in 1080p on a lot of games. To note that the 1050 Ti does not, that this model of a 1050 Ti does not require ATX power. More so, it doesn't even have the power socket on the power slot on the card, so it can't be powered by ATX power. It draws all of its juice from the PCI slot, which is really cool. It cuts down on cables, makes for an extremely clean build, and if you are in a situation where the power supply can't be easily run up to the video card, if you need extra ports, this card is a great option, as it does not require ATX power, and it still has a DVI, a DP, and an HDMI out. We will be driving this computer over to the client tomorrow evening, and we can't wait to see his reaction to it. There'll be a link to the computer spec on our website down below, and there'll be a link, and then the website will have the full spec on the parts. If you like this video, click the little like button. If you didn't like this video, I'm sorry. And if you really want to click a dislike button, then fine. If you like watching our content, please subscribe to our channel. We always like those. And yeah, that's about it. We'll see y'all in the next video.